Good day. Good day to the wallaby standing there watching me. Anyway, I set away for this amazing U-Butte sharpening tool that I thought, oh, well, I'll give it a go. Didn't do any investigation, and after receiving it, I realised that basically you need a new bar and chain. And the hi wallaby, and anyway, I wasn't going to send away for a new bar and chain, and the reason why you need a new bar and chain is because this sharpening thing sharpens from the outside of the tooth, and we know that we sharpen from the inside of the tooth. So anyway, without further ado, I'd just like to demonstrate what you could also do with this tool if you are unfortunate to be conned like me. What do you think of this, wallabies? Fucking tough! I'll give them that much.